Welcome back to Technogia's video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can send long videos through Gmail. That we have to do is go to the Drive. If you don't have the Drive application, we can search in your Play Store application. And we can see the option, but we press the plus icon and select the folder for more organization. Videos, create, we can see the folder and press plus and upload a video. We can see this video and this video sent of the other person, press in, share, and enter the email of the other person. It is quite simple and useful. And thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content with this.